In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to find transactions in Intuit QuickBooks Online. If you manage your finances with QuickBooks and need to locate a specific record, this guide will help you do it quickly and confidently. Whether you're searching for a recent purchase, a customer payment, or a past expense you want to review, QuickBooks provides a simple process to help you get exactly where you need to be. To begin, open your browser and head to the QuickBooks sign-in page. The interface is designed to be simple and user-friendly, so you should feel right at home even if you're logging in for the first time. When the product list appears, select QuickBooks Online. Since Intuit offers several versions of QuickBooks, choosing the correct one ensures that you're accessing the right dashboard for this walkthrough. Next, enter your username or email along with your password. Take a moment to type these carefully because even a small typo can prevent you from signing in. If you run into issues, double-check your internet connection or use the password recovery option. Once everything is correct, click Continue and you'll be taken straight into your QuickBooks Online dashboard. When the dashboard loads, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a small magnifying glass icon. This is the main access point to QuickBooks search tool. Click on the icon to open the search window. Inside the search panel, you'll see a link at the bottom called Advanced Transaction Search. This option opens up the most powerful part of the search system, giving you control over exactly how you want to filter your results. Clicking on Advanced Transaction Search brings up a set of filters designed to narrow down your search quickly. You can filter by transaction type, date range, amount, customer name, vendor name, and much more. This is especially helpful when you're looking through a long list of entries or when you can only remember part of the details. For example, if you know a payment was made last month, but can't remember the exact day, you can set the date range and narrow the results instantly. If you only remember the vendor, simply select their name to see all related transactions. Once you've entered the details you know, click the search button. QuickBooks will then display every transaction that matches your criteria. From there, you can open the transaction, review the information, or make any adjustments if needed. This tool not only speeds up the process, but also helps maintain accuracy across your bookkeeping tasks, and that's all it takes to find transactions in Intuit QuickBooks. Online, with just a few clicks, you can track, review, and organize your financial activity with complete clarity. Mastering this feature will make your bookkeeping smoother and help you stay on top of your financial records more efficiently. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you ever need a quick refresh, feel free to revisit this guide. Be sure to check out more of our QuickBooks tips, and I'll see you in the next video.